Promoting Mahatma Gandhi's values of non-violence, truth, self-discipline, fearlessness, and more, the Society's goal is to help bring in more peace and harmony, especially during this tough time with the pandemic, and eradicate any form of discrimination. Recently, the Gandhian Society's key members came together for a summer picnic event reflecting on all the efforts of the Society on COVID-19 relief to India and the United States. Here is the story.
Gandhian Society is having our annual picnic along with supporting organizations like the Gopio and Zakir Hussain Foundation also. The Gandhian Society was started by our founder, Mr. Bhadra Butala, to propagate the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi amongst the diaspora. He's been doing some really good projects to propagate the ideology. In January we had an event to observe the martyrdom of Mahatma Gandhi in the Indian Consulate in partnership with the Indian Consulate. We had invited various dignitaries, lawmakers from US as well as family members of the late Mahatma Gandhi to attend the prayer meet. And during last year's pandemic, the Gandhian Society worked with various organizations in India, NGOs, to set up stalls on some highways to distribute dry fruits to the migrants who were walking back during the early days of the pandemic. And during the second wave of pandemic this year, in March and April, the Gandhian Society sent over 200 oxygen concentrators to India, especially to the tribal and rural areas where there was no healthcare facilities to the poor people. And we've also did a prayer meet in Central Jersey in April with 18 different religious leaders to pray for the end of pandemic. And on August 15th this year, we are having a couple of events to celebrate Indian independence. We are calling this event Swaraj with Gandhi and Vinoba Bhave.
Today we got really a good news. We started funding for ambulance. Ambulance is a most essential thing in India for tribal people. They really need an ambulance for their medical thing. So we started to collect the funds, and we are happy we are getting today commitment about 4 or 5 ambulance from the various people.
Our whole family, my parents, my grandparents, everybody were all, colored by the freedom movement, by the Gandhiji and Sardar Patel and Nehru and all that. And I was born in 15th August 1931. Wow! 31, so I'm 90 almost going to be, but I'm vegan. I'm very simple, just like Gandhiji and everybody else. I don't eat any kind of fancy food or nothing. Very simple food and high thinking. And I was there with my father and everybody in the first convention was done in Bardoli, near the Haripura, near the Bardoli. And that's the first convention was done by the Congress, and I was there, and I saw all those selfless, all the leaders of the country. There is no selflessness anymore. And also Subhash Chandra Bose was the first elected president of the Congress Party in 1939. And I was there, and we have our Patel people supported him wholeheartedly, and go for it and go for the strike and on hunger strike and join the movement and give the full support to Sardar Patel.
Another thing, my family is Gandhian. My uncle was in jail with Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel in Yerwada jail. Only thing I give you that example. When at that time in 1929, in Bardoli Satyagraha, right. So my uncle go in the front of the crowd, not the crowd, but go singing the patriot song, right? At that time there is a curfew. More than 5 people is gathering, they capture. So they put him in the jail. First they taking to the Ahmedabad. And there is in front of the court, judge, in the morning they asked,
English judge.
yeah, English judge, right? So what is your name? So he said, Nagarwai Lalubhai Patel. Where you live? This is the town, my Bardoli, Malikpur. And then they asked lawyer, what kind of business you do? Anybody has any idea what he said at that time, young man like 22 years old in front of the white judge? No, he said, I'm digging the grave of English people.
I mean, this is a very important event. It's a very important aspect of, especially folks my age who are not necessarily as knowledgeable about Gandhi and his views. So having the opportunity to work on a project like this and meet you folks, I think it enhances our understanding and gives us the ability to actually pass this on to our kids. So first of all, thank you for having us here. I welcome the opportunity to partner with you on this and future opportunities. So I'm looking forward to it.
I think what Butala ji has started as an initiative, we are joining at a much later edge of that. So we really commend Butala ji for standing strong for so many years on Gandhian values and giving us Gopiya, which is a recent chapter in Manhattan, but overall Gopiya, a chance to stand beside Butala ji on this wonderful initiative and raise money for the right cause. Because as Mahesh ji has put up in the circular, each ambulance is traveling between 140 kilometers to 280 kilometers from tribal area to the nearest hospital. So just think that for a second, what 280 kilometers, if you're thinking in mile terms, you're talking about close to 200 miles or 180 miles journey to be done in an ambulance where there's no support in the tribal area. So this money, this cause can be done together with groups of 3-4 people coming together. There's no push here for anyone here, but what we are hoping that you guys will become messengers for your respective communities, respective friend circles, and raise awareness for this very important cause of 50 ambulances as a target. What I think nobody mentioned here, but Mahesh ji's done a wonderful work in getting the price down to $7,500. The original cost of the ambulance is close to $9,000.